diesel. Okay, this is a 2011 Ford F-350 Super Duty with the 6.7 liter diesel. This one has the new in-house diesel that Ford built, without that international piece of shit that was back in their past. You can already hear it doesn't sound at all like a diesel. Oh, of course a little bit, but it sounds like a noisy gas engine instead. Not that clattery shit from the past. Well, the center armrest is not that flimsy thing from the past as well, like in that jacked up Super Duty I did a few days ago. And some power. It is padded. Brake assist. Some power. Coin holder. Climate controlled, dual zone. They put in this aftermarket Kenwood system, so I'm not going to get into that right now. Has Microsoft Sync. More power. Steering wheel controls, cruise. I had this one started up earlier. This is for the rear window. You can see. And the inserts in the middle of the leather seats has like an alligator look to it. It's quite nice. Fits the ruggedness look of the truck. But it doesn't appeal to some out there. This is hard up there. Yet the armrest is a bit soft. This is for the mirrors. They go out a few inches. That's good for our trailers for better visibility. Let's get to revving this one. Pretty good. I'll rev it some more in a bit. Let's take a look at the back seat. This is a two-wheel drive model, by the way. Back seat is okay. The materials from the front also follow through into the back. This is hard, but the armrest itself is soft. It looked like they had a dog or a cat because I see lots of hair, so I'm not going to sit in here. Has some rear AC vents, some power. There's a 110 volt power, so it's not so bad either. Armrest is quite firm. The edges are soft, but it will be uncomfortable if you rest your arm a little further in. This is hard right there. Had a backup camera. I don't know if it still works with that aftermarket thing that they put in. Has a puller there for the trailers, so they used to pull pretty hard with this thing. But this thing had to have been repossessed before they could even do anything. Because to the looks of it, it looks like it was never used. You don't even see any wear or scratches on it. Backup sensors, the exhaust, keyless entry. Let's take a look under the hood. Looks nothing like the International engine. It's a 6.7 liter diesel, turbo diesel. Let's rev this one some more. I don't know if I mentioned the mileage. This one has 9,000 miles. Squeeze in an exhaust clip. I forgot to mention, this does have a 6-speed auto, so that's a decent combo. And the backup sensors, and you could just put it down to M, and you have like a little toggle switch here, which is basically a manual shift mode, plus a tow haul mode with that button. And they put in this little bullshit horn there if you want to hear it. Yeah, I got the horns.